Okay, this is 171 Southeast Floresta Avenue. Let's take a walk around the house. You can see that the roof does look newer. Good sized backyard. As you can see, we're just missing the screens here on the soffit. Pretty easy to replace. Okay, let's take a look inside. One thing on the exterior here before we go in, I just want to point out that even though you have these vertical lines on the exterior, which might look like it's wood frame, it is wood frame construction beneath, but this is actually stucco. Stucco over the wood frame. Okay, inside here, got the living room area. See, it's in definitely needs of some cosmetics. Paint for sure. There's the dining room area. And we're coming into the kitchen. These cabinets are older. You may want to replace those. The laundry room area. And this is a little bonus room back here. Leads into the garage. Hot water here. Okay, I'll take you into the north wing. First bedroom. Bedrooms all are going to need some carpet. Second bedroom. And the master bed. And we're going into the master bath here. Does need a new sink, vanity. Some nice glass block here on the shower. And last room here is the guest bath.